So since I run a financial and kind of an investing channel, I thought I'd show you guys an interesting way to make money. So if you're not familiar with what you see on the screen here, this is Steam. This is the platform that you can use to buy and play video games. So if you want to play a specific video game, you make an account on Steam, you buy the game, you can download it on your computer and you can play it. And then if you want to download it on another computer, all you have to do is log into your account and you can download it on a different computer. Now the cool thing about Steam is that Steam has a community market, meaning that if you have an account, you can actually buy and sell different items that belong to specific video games. So if you want to play a specific video game and you want a specific item in that game, but you can't really earn it or it takes a long time to earn it, you can actually buy the item on the community market. And you can sell your own items on the community market as well. And for the most part, these items are purely aesthetical. They don't actually give you any advantage. They don't really do anything other than make you look nice. But there's a thriving market and you can actually make money off it just like any other market. If you believe that a certain item will go up in price in the future, you can buy a bunch of them, you can hold them, and then you can sell them. It's kind of like commodity investing, but these are not really commodities. I mean, I guess you could classify them as commodities, but I don't know. Anyways, so I've been making money off this Steam community market for quite a while, and here's how it works. So I've spent about $1,430 buying these Gamescom Invitational crates. Now these Gamescom Invitational crates, they belong to a game called PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds, and it's a battle royale type of game that's really popular. It's been really popular lately. It's kind of ridiculous how popular it is, but a ton of people have been playing this game. It's one of the most played games on Steam out of all times. I think it is the most popular game on Steam of all times in terms of just people playing it at the same time. But anyways, really popular game. This is what it looks like. This is the main screen. Well, this is the home screen. This is my character. And you can get specific in-game items. You can sell most of them. But I currently own 779 of these Gamescom Invitational crates. Now these crates were only released for about a month because there was a tournament that just ended a few days ago. And you can no longer get these crates in-game. And all these crates give you, they cost $2.50 to open. They'll give you specific items. They'll give you clothes that make your character look nice. That's all that they give you. That's it. And the money that you spend on these crates, they do go towards the prize pool of the tournaments. So if you're into that, you can contribute. But this is how you get the crates. So originally, how you got these crates is by playing the game, and if you score well or if you win, you get points, and you can use the points to get the crates. And after you get the crates, you can't sell them on the market, of course. So anyways, why would people buy these crates? Well, the reason why people buy these crates is because people open them. Simple as that. Now, the reason why people open them is because, and this might seem really weird to a lot of people, so this game costs either $20 or $30, and for a $20 or $30 game, some people are willing to spend thousands of dollars to make their character look nice. So some people will actually buy items that are worth hundreds of dollars just to make their character look nice. And this is normal, by the way. In Counter-Strike, for example, there are items worth thousands of dollars, and all they do is just all they are just aesthetics. These items give you no advantage, they just look nice. And people are willing to spend a lot of money. So for example, this over here, the Ivory school uniform crate, however that looks, that can be obtained from this crate. If you actually open one, if you spend the $2.50 to open one of these crates, you could get this really rare item that you can actually sell in the market for about $900. And I mean, people open them. People open them and they hope to get really lucky. And it's kind of like a form of gambling, but you get the point, hopefully. So anyways, why would I buy a bunch of these crates? So these crates there's only about 5 million of them in existence based on my calculation. And when you only have a limited number of a specific item in a game that's really popular and that's becoming more and more popular by the moment, and whenever these items do get destroyed, like every time you open one of these, you essentially destroy it. I mean, you get an item from it, you can destroy that item, but there's only a limited amount of these, and they're decreasing more and more as people are opening them. So these will go down in terms of how many of them are out there, and as they go down, they will go up in price. Now, I've spent $1,430. There is a way to multiply your money on Steam, by the way, just like to get more purchasing power from your dollar. There is a way to do that. I won't go over that, but I have a total of, what did I say, 779 of these. I just bought 120 more for $3.14. They're already at $3.16 basically, and I'm pretty sure that by tomorrow they're going to be even higher than that. But I've spent $1,430 on these. I'm hoping to double my money. I would actually spend more, but I don't have any more money just lying around that I could afford to spend on these. I try not to spend any money that I can't afford to lose on these types of things, and I'm planning to spend more and more because I've been making money fairly consistently on these types of things, and usually I only spend a few $100s, but now I'm starting to spend more and more because I want to make more money. I mean, making a few $100 is nice, but I want to make thousands and thousands if I can, which it looks like I can. But anyways, so I bought these crates and I averaged down to $2.11. So I have 779 of these for $2.11 each. They're currently selling for $3.16. So if I sold all of mine on a third-party website, you do need to sell them on a third-party website if you actually want to get your money back into your PayPal account or into your bank account or whatever. And the third-party website that I use is OP Skins. I have about $50,000 worth of transactions on this website, and if I were to sell all of these crates, they're currently selling for $2.89. If I sold all of mine, I would probably make about $500 profit, and yeah, that's how it works. So that's basically it. So let's see, what else did I want to say? So the cool thing about this market is that for the most part, the people that use this market are mostly kids, mostly people that play video games, which are younger people. And whenever you have a market that mostly consists of younger people, it's surprisingly easy to actually understand and predict it whenever you have a market that exists like this. I'm not sure if anybody can make money on it because you do need to understand video games quite well, or at least understand their appeal and why people spend the money that they do on specific items. But if you do understand that, you can predict with fair ease on which items will go up and which items will not go up. And I mean, if you spend a ton of money buying a bunch of these items, you hold them for about a month, you can easily double your money. And if you can double your money in about a month, that's pretty good. It's better than the stock market. The stock market takes much longer to double your money. Now, there is a risk with this. There's always the risk that these items will go down in price, of course. That's the risk. And there's nothing, I mean, that's the risk. It's what you sign up for whenever you buy these items, and it exists. And whenever you buy them, you hope that they don't go down. But these things, I don't think they're going to go down anytime soon. So given that there's about 5 million in existence, about 100,000 of these are sold on the Steam market every single day. And 100,000, it will only take about 50 days in order for all of them to basically sell out. And obviously that's not going to happen, but as less and less of them are available in existence, their price is going to go up and up and up even more. So these crates are fairly interesting, and I think I'm going to hold them for a few weeks, and then I'm probably going to sell them, and I'll let you guys know how it turns out. But it's a way to make money, and I don't know how many people know about this. I haven't seen anything about this online. Like, nobody really talks about making money on the Steam market. I've been doing it for quite a while, and I've also haven't really talked about it, but here it is. I mean, it's just another market that if you understand it really well, you can make a bunch of money on. You can buy a bunch of items and you can hold them for years if you want, and it's free to hold them. Cashing out is fairly expensive. So if you can sell your item for, let's say, $3 on the Steam market, you can generally get about 70% of that in real cash money into your PayPal account or into your bank account. So there's a really high fee associated with cashing out. So if you have an item that's worth $3, you might only be able to get $2.50 worth of actual cash for it, maybe even less. But that's just a fee. And generally you can, like right now, if I were to cash out right now, I would make money. Even though I would lose a lot of money, like there's no way that I could get $3.16 from my items in actual cash. Like I couldn't actually cash out for that amount, but yeah, I hope you get the point. But anyway, so these crates were discontinued today, by the way. So the tournament ended yesterday. The crates were discontinued today. They were out for a little bit longer than they should have been, but they were discontinued and they're going up. You could have gotten these for $1.30, which I originally planned to buy them for, but that didn't work out. I second guessed myself and I waited for way too long, and I ended up buying them for like $1.90 and higher than that. Averaged out for $2.11, which is still pretty good. Hopefully these hit about $5 by the end of the week, or by the end of 2 weeks from now. And I mean, if they hit $5 or $6, I can cash out and I can double my money. hopefully triple more. If I can triple my money, that'd be amazing. But anyways, that's it. Let me know what you think. If you guys want, I can make a more detailed video about how this actually works. And yeah, I don't know. Let me know what you think.